Tired of manually handling your print and orders? Let's supercharge your Odoo store by integrating it with Qikink, automating your fulfillment and unlocking a world of new product possibilities. First, navigate to the Apps module within your Odoo dashboard in the search bar. Type Qikink to locate the Qikink connector module once found. Click on it and proceed to install the module. Next, you'll need to configure your Qikink API keys. Log into your Qikink account and find your API key and secret key. Copy these credentials and paste them into the corresponding fields within the Qikink configuration settings in Odoo. Make sure to save your changes. Now, let's map your product categories. This step is crucial for ensuring that your products are correctly categorized within Qikink. Go to your product categories in Odoo, and for each relevant category, select the corresponding Qikink category from the drop-down menu. Finally, synchronize your inventory. Head over to the Qikink settings within Odoo and enable inventory synchronization. This ensures that your product availability is always up to date on both platforms, preventing overselling and ensuring a smooth customer experience. And that's it. With Qikink seamlessly integrated, you can now enjoy automated order fulfillment, expanded product offerings, and a streamlined workflow. Say goodbye to manual processes and hello to business growth. #Odoo integration. #Qikink.